Right, boys and girls, we are back with another one. Today is the day. Today is new car day. So I'm just currently waiting on my boy Ash to come pick me up so that we can go down there. I'll show you little snippets of the journey. I'm not going to show too much. Later on in this video, we will reveal what car we have bought. And I think you guys are going to like it. I think you guys are going to like it. I don't think you lot are going to guess what it is. But yeah, stick around. Please don't be a waste man and jump through the video to the end. Please stay and watch. I promise you, you will not be disappointed. This is a serious car. So yeah, without further ado, let's quit the waffling and let's get into it. Yes, people, we're en route to look at a car. Yeah, we're heading down to Chatham to, was it Rosemount Specialist, to go look at a car. I'm not gonna say it just yet. It's gonna be a surprise. It's gonna be a surprise. You never know, I might not even get this car in it. But yeah, man, enjoy the journey, and yeah, we'll link back up when we get there. Yeah. So yeah, we just pulling up. Just pulling up. Yo.
One eternity later.
Hi guys! Right guys, if you haven't guessed already, new car, new day. So without dragging out the reveal, I present to you my beautiful TTRS. So there you have it guys, my new TTRS. We're going to be doing some videos, some POV videos coming up on this soon, so keep an eye out for those. Also we're going to be doing a POV video on the Audi TT, the Mark 1, because I feel like in the last video I did want to do a POV drive, but with the traffic it just wasn't permitted. So yeah, are we feeling the TTRS? Is it what you expected? Is it what you guessed? Did you think it was going to be another TT? Like, yeah man, this is crazy. Like, this has been a dream car of mine, and yeah, the fact that I'm actually sat in my very own Mark II TTRS is absolutely crazy. where do we go from here? So for now, I'm going to be leaving it stock. I'm going to enjoy it stock for a little while, and then at some point we will be getting onto modding this car. But now that I have this, I'm going to shift my focus now to the Mark IV R32, because that's been sitting around for way too longer than what I would have liked to. So yeah, we need to get that full steam ahead. And I don't know, maybe in between I might get some parts for this. But I have been having a look, and mate, the parts are expensive. Like just for argument's sake, the intake that I want for this, it's like £1,000 just for an intake. Just for an intake, like, it's crazy. But yeah, we definitely will be doing some bits and pieces, some subtle mods to begin with. Also, let me know your thoughts on what I should do with the Mark 1. I don't know what to do with it now. Like, I'm not planning on getting rid of it, but obviously I've got a track car build. This is probably going to be a fast road daily build. I don't know, should I do a show build with the TT, like put it on air ride, some nice wheels, nice little lip kit, sound system, and just like, yeah, just have it as a show card. Like, let me know your thoughts on that. So yeah, hit me in the comments on what I should do with that. Stay tuned, and if you're feeling the vibe, don't forget to subscribe.